While attempting to rescue Tiala, Abel has been immobilized and then discarded in the wink of an eye.
Take me with you.
What is it? What's going on?
An evil cloud was hovering over the lake, but it's leaving now.
The water's poisoned. This evil's so strong, its very touch causes things to wither and die. How can mortals fight such a power?
We can't. If it returns, we'll all be lost.
Fear not, my friends. There is a champion who will protect our village.
Abel, are you alive? Say something! Is his heart beating? It sounds strong. Abel, Abel, don't leave us. Try to open your eyes. Can you hear me?
Why did you bring me to this place? I'm just a poor village girl. What could you possibly want with me? Say something! Tell me why I'm here. I demand to know!
The Red Stone.
What are you talking about?
Give Master Baramos the red stone around your neck.
No!
Then I'll just have to take it.
He who tries to remove the Red Stone against the will of the Chosen One shall suffer great pain.
You're the
protector of the Red Stone, the only one who can revive the dragon. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Find the location.
Yes. And you're the only one who can tell us when the dragon is sleeping, so speak. Don't try to act innocent. You know that if you raise the dragon, your reward is eternal life.
What? What dragon? I don't know what you mean.
Well, let's see. Now your mind will reveal to me the truth about your knowledge of the Red Stone.
Thank you for my present, Master Yogi. Tiala, where are you going? I want to show Abel my present and try my new wings. The wind's perfect today, Mother.
The wind?
I'm down below. Don't worry, I'll be back soon.
She doesn't understand the Red Stone's power, my lord. The necklace was given to her as a birthday present.
No one could be that ignorant.
I see no evidence that she's lying. But fear not. Even if she knows nothing of the Red Stone, the one who gave it to her will tell us what we wish to know.
In that case, you'll need something to help loosen his tongue.
Yes, a display of power to frighten him. Something that will destroy his resistance.
I have just the thing. Something to stir the depths of his imagination. So, I see you're finally awake.
Where am I?
In the bedroom, at my house.
What happened? You were knocked out and floating in the water. We pulled you out.
Tiala's captured. They took her away.
What? Who captured her?
Some kind of monster with terrible powers named Baramos.
And you didn't protect her? What's the matter with you?
Moko, stop it! Leave him alone!
Stay out of it. This is between me and Abel. I would have protected her even if it cost me my life, coward.
What? What did you call me?
Coward!
Oh, yeah?
Stop it! You're acting like children! I said stop it! If you're both quite through fighting, the fact is there's nothing Abel could have done to stop Tiala from being taken by Baramos.
Wait a minute. Do you mean you know this Baramos?
Mm-hmm. He's an enemy of goodness who rules over the dead land of the West with his supernatural powers.
So what does he want with Tiala?
He's after one thing. He wants her to break the seal of the dragon.
What dragon?
Some say it's a mythical creature. However, I, for one, believe it exists. They say it can swallow the sea in one gulp and burn up the land. And if you drink its blood, you'll live forever.
I know about him, too. It's the one described on the monument at the bottom of the lake. Tiala and I discovered it when we were swimming there the other day.
The power of the great dragon can only be unleashed and harnessed by the use of the red stone.
The dragon can only be sealed up again by use of the blue stone. We read it, but we didn't understand what it meant.
What it means, Abel, is that the red stone described on that monument is the same red stone that Tiala now wears around her neck. She's a direct descendant of the Chosen Ones, the guardians of the red stone, the only ones in the world who can actually revive the terrible dragon. You must save us.
What's that?
These are the vestments you wear as guardian of the blue stone. I've waited many years to pass these on to the Chosen One when the time was right. You are that Chosen One, the only one who can seal up the dragon after he's been released. You must wear these to carry out your quest. You have a great responsibility, Abel. You must rescue Tiala and prevent the red stone from being misused by Baramos.
Simple, right?
Now, the King of Arayahan will tell you how to begin.
I'm glad I'm not the chosen one.
Oh, but you'll be going along with him, Moko, to help.
What's the matter with you? I'm not following him. You think I'm out of my mind?
Right, you can't follow him dressed like that. I've got something for you, too. After all, a man in your position can't go on a quest without the proper outfit. Ah, just what I thought it would be.
Does this mean I get a bluestone headband?
Come along, Moko. There's no time to waste.
This looks like it came from a court jester. Come to think of it, where did you get this outfit anyhow?
Well, to tell you the truth, it was given to me by a court jester who was cleaning out his trunk. Help! We're being attacked!
Confined in the procedure to revive it. You don't have that information. Now we'll see who's telling me the truth. Empty vessels. Obviously, they know nothing of this. That leaves you, old man. Stop talking. In our culture, we have many myths. Foremost among them is the dragon. It is said the seal of the dragon can only be broken by the chosen one using the red stone. There is a map. Yes. Tell me where to find it. Huh? You again. You're still alive, I see. We'll have to do a better job this time.
Where have you taken Tiala, you monster?
I think you're missing the point, young warrior. Where we take her is our business, and it wouldn't matter if I told you where she was, because you couldn't do anything about it.
Don't let him get to you. There's nothing you can do right now. Wait!
I see you haven't gotten any smarter. Too bad for you. Since you refuse to face reality, I suppose you'll have to suffer the consequences. Deal with him! I'll return later!
Come back here! You'll have to be faster than that! What's the matter? Has this little gnat got your tongue? Look out!
Hey, thanks a lot.
Save that for later. Figure out a way to get us out of here. I just want you to know something. If you got a plan now, would be a real good time to tell me about it. I knew that following you was a bad idea right from the start. How are we gonna get out of here?
I have got to do something. If Abel is defeated by Baramos, we will never see Tiala again.
What?
I was hoping to avoid this.
What did you pull from your pouch?
Oh, I can't explain. Now.
Master Yogi, please be careful.
I call upon the power of the great dragon. Protect the guardian of the blue stone. Now issue forth and destroy the evil power of Baramos!
What happened? Look, he's gone and there's nothing left but 3 jewels.
I've heard that Baramos has the power to change jewels into monsters.
Yeah.
Master Yogi's been hurt.
He saved the village.
Master Yogi, please don't leave us now.
We need your guidance. Without you, we're lost.
Now, Abel, you're safe. That's good. You must listen.
I'm here.
You must rescue Tiala before she destroys the world.
What do you mean?
Tiala's in great danger. Baramos will use her to revive the dragon. He'll trick her into using the red stone to do it. If he's successful, you must fight him. Do not forget, you're the only one who can seal the dragon once he's released.
Oh no, he's gone from us.
But I need his wisdom.
Master Yogi!
Baramos only wants one thing, for Tiala to unleash the great dragon. She's a direct descendant of the Chosen Ones, the guardians of the Red Stone. You are the guardian of the Blue Stone, the only one who can seal up the dragon after it's been released. You must rescue Tiala and prevent Baramos from taking over the world.
Tiala,
Abel, what do we do now?
we start our quest.
Hang hang on. There's something I want to say. I'm not coming with you because the Elder told me to. I'm coming along because I want to rescue Tiala. You understand?
Hey, what's wrong with you?
Sorry, friend. I wasn't watching where I was going.
Is that so? Then pay me for my trouble.
Pay you? No, that would be out of the question. How about a massage with this club instead?
How about a free shower, friend?
How would you like a mouthful of knuckles?
Stop it, Moko.
You need to learn some manners.
Stop it!
Well, aren't you the brave one, pulling a sword on an unarmed boy?
Who are you? Hey, Big Mouth, come down here!
All right, I will. Looks to me like you're nothing but a two-bit criminal.
Think you're smart, don't you? Let's see what you look like. Well, well, what are you gonna do? Hit me with your purse?
No! Hand over all your money, and I might just spare your life. As for you two, don't thank me. Money and valuables will be a much better expression of your gratitude.
Oh, stop. We don't have too much to offer.
I think you're lying. Uh-huh.
That's all we have in the world.
Gee, that's too bad.
Wow.
Learn how to defend yourself, and you won't need me!
They're headed to Orion Castle.
Shall we take them prisoner and find out what they know?
Attack once they've arrived.
Yes, sir.
It's much too late to be calling on the king. There's no way he's gonna receive us at this hour.
We'll just have to convince the guards that we're on a critical mission. Hello!
Welcome to Orion Castle. Master Abel has come. Open the gates!
Thank you for coming all this way, Abel. As the new anointed guardian of the Blue Stone, I bid you welcome. As long as Baramos has the Red Stone in his possession, you're the only one who can stop his evil plan of conquest. But the path to this victory is indirect. You must visit places where the dragon's legend still exists and draw clues from the information you acquire. It's the only way to save Tiala and the world.
Your Majesty, I have terrible news. The castle is being attacked by an army of monsters.
We've gotta protect the king.
Don't worry about me. Abel, listen. First, you must search for a map.
A map?
A map that will tell you where to go to seek out the legend of the dragon.
Where can I find a map like this?
Your first clue will be found by traveling west to a place called the Abel village. Here's something to help you on your quest. It's not much, but it's all I can give for now. Come, we must hurry. That well is the only escape from the castle. Quickly now, jump into it.
But sir...
Don't worry, Abel. We'll be all right. Baramos has no interest in us.
Abel, you are not yet strong enough to overcome the power of Baramos. You need help. There are 2 others who will join you on this journey. You'll meet the first of them when you complete your escape. Keep an open mind and welcome their assistance. We're relying on you, Abel. Do not fail us.
I won't, sir.
protect you and bring you victory. You are the last hope of the world.